Hi guys, so today we're going to go over writing the equation of a circle when given the diameter. So we're going to start off by first noting the equation of a circle where the center would be h and k and the radius would be r. So since the center is h and k, and I only need to find the values for h, k, and r because x and y represent any point on the circle. H and k, given the diameter here, would be right in the middle between these 2 points, or what's known as the midpoint. So you can either count that given the graph that I plotted the points on decimals on, or you could use the midpoint formula. So I'm going to use the midpoint formula to find the center h and k, which would be x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So keep in mind, we're given x sub 1 and y sub 1, and x sub 2 and y sub 2. So substituting in these values, I'll get 0 plus 6, add that up, divide by 2, and that'll give me 3. And negative 3 plus 5, which would give me 2, divided by 2 would be 1. So my center h and k are 3, 1. So we've got the left side of the equation of the circle. We now need to find the radius. So looking at the 2 given points, if I were to find the distance between this point to this point, the radius would be the middle. So I'm going to find the distance between those 2 points and then divide it by 2 to find what the middle of that distance is. So to find the distance between 2 points, we're going to use the distance formula. So flipping it to the next page, distance formula would be x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Remember, in the given problem, we have the 2 points already, which we've labeled as x sub 1 and y sub 1 and x sub 2 and y sub 2. So substituting in those values would be 6 minus 0 squared plus 5 minus negative 3 squared, which would just give us 6 squared plus 8 squared equals the square root of 100, which is just 10. So 10 would be the distance from here to here. So since the distance is 10, to find the radius, I would divide that distance by 2, cutting it in half, giving us 5. So since we have h, k, and r, we're going to rewrite it as x minus h, which is 3 squared, plus y minus k, which is 1 squared, equals r squared, r being 5. So you can either write this as 5 squared or 25. But this would be the answer, and you can always use Desmos to check your work. So in this case, given the diameter and inputting the equation of the circle that we got, plugging that into Desmos, it does work because if you notice, the circle also has the 2 endpoints, 6, 5, and 0, negative 3. All right, guys, hope this helps.